honorable dignitaries, and beloved teachers and my dear friends. A very good morning to one and all present here. On this glorious occasion of Teachers' Day, along with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary and International Students' Day, it is my immense privilege and honor to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Today, we gather not merely to celebrate, but to pay tribute to our teachers, the torchbearers of knowledge, wisdom, and values, and to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India, whose life and ideals continue to ignite young minds of across the globe. This day also holds global significance as International Students' Day, symbolizing the unity, potential, and power of the student community to shape a better world. With deep reverence, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all the distinguished dignitaries gracing this occasion. Your esteemed presence adds immense value and grandeur to this celebration. With hearts filled with reverence, we invoke the divine blessings of Lingaikit Pujya Dr. Sharnabaswa Pappaji, the revered founder president of Sharnabasweshwar Vidyavardhak Sangh, whose guiding spirit continues to inspire us. His vision, values, and noble mission remain the foundation of all our endeavors. We also seek the gracious blessings of Matoshri Dr. Dakshayani Awaji, the Honorable President of Sharnabasweshwar Vidyavardhak Sangh, Kalburgi, Chancellor of Sharnabaswa University, whose motherly care and wisdom illuminate our path of learning and virtue. A special and respectful welcome to the chief guest of the program, Dr. Sheshnath P. Bhosle Sir, UGC Professor, School of Chemical Science, Central University of Karnataka, Kalburgi, whose dynamic vision and progressive leadership have contributed immensely to the growth of students' community. Your devotion to innovation and excellence in education is truly commendable. Our humble pranams to Pujya Doddappa Appaji, the 9th Mahadasu Peethadipati of Sharnabasweshwar Vidyavardhak Sangh, Kalburgi, whose devotion and dynamic leadership inspire us to walk on the path of service and knowledge. We also express our heartfelt gratitude for the blessings of Sri Baswaraj Deshmukh Sir, the Honorable Secretary of Sharnabasweshwar Vidyavardhak Sangh, Kalburgi, whose tireless efforts and guidance strengthen our institutions. A special and heartfelt welcome to the President of today's program, Shri Sarath Kumar, whose gracious presence blesses this event and inspires us to strive for greater heights. We feel honored to have your support and encouragement as we celebrate this day dedicated to our mentors and students alike. I take immense pleasure in welcoming our respected Principal N.S. Devarkar Sir, whose visionary leadership and constant encouragement have shaped the academic and moral growth of our students. Your unwavering commitment to excellence and discipline has been a pillar of strength for the institution. A warm welcome to Dr. Shri Shelji Hogade Sir, in charge of SBR Composite PU College. Your active guidance and motivating presence have always inspired both staff and students to perform with sincerity and enthusiasm. I extend my heartfelt welcome to all the heads of the departments whose consistent efforts and academic leadership form the backbone of our institution's success. A very warm welcome to all our dedicated teachers who are the true architects of society. You are the guiding lights who ignite curiosity, nurture wisdom, and shape destinies. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. On this day, we salute your selfless service and unwavering dedication. I also extend my warm greetings to all our captains, vice captains, members, and prefects and student leaders who shoulder responsibilities with pride and uphold the values of discipline, unity, and service. Your leadership enriches the spirit of our institution. A very special welcome to all our students, the heartbeat of this college. You are the torchbearers of the future, inquisitive, energetic, and full of dreams. On this International Students' Day, we celebrate your potential, your passion, and your power to transform society through knowledge and compassion. Once again, I extend a warm and respectful welcome to everyone gathered here. Let us come together in the true spirit of Guru Shishya Parampara, inspired by the ideals of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, to make this day a day of teachers, students and learning, truly memorable